Hi there, and thank you for considering using Quotify for your online business. In this video, we will take a look at how we can quickly set up Quotify so you can start accepting quote requests from your customers. First, we need to enable Quotify for our store theme. Let's navigate to the online store sales channel. Next, look for the theme you want to use and click the Customize button. On the left-hand side, you can find a few icons. Click the third icon named App Embeds. From the list that is shown, toggle the switch to turn on App Embeds for Quotify. Next, click the Save button in the top right corner, followed by the Exit icon on the left-hand side to return to our store settings. Let's move on and open the Quotify app from the Apps section. If you want, you can click the pin icon to easily access Quotify in the future. Now click the Settings option from the navigation bar on the left-hand side. From the main settings, click the checkbox to enable Quotify, and let's enable the All Products mode. This will enable Quotify for all products. Alternatively, you can also choose the Product Selection mode, which will allow you to precisely pick products or collections for which Quotify should be enabled. In this video, we won't go into detail about every setting, but instead we simply focus on the essentials to enable Quotify for our store. You can find additional videos from the support section that will cover everything there is to know about Quotify. If you click the Form option from the navigation bar, you will see the default form that Quotify provides, which has some sensible defaults. You can customize the form to your every need. In this video, we will leave the form in its current state. The final step to enable Quotify on our store is adding the Request a Quote button to our product page. To do this, navigate back to the Online Stores Sales channel and click Customize again. Next, click the drop-down in the top bar labeled Homepage. From this drop-down, choose Products and then Default Product. We are now able to see our store product page. On the left-hand side, you can find all the components, or blocks if you will, that are part of our product page. To add Quotify, click Add Block and choose the Quotify button block. As you can see, the Quotify button is now visible on our product page. To change the position of the button, you can drag and drop the block using your mouse. Once it's in the position you like, you can continue and focus on the right sidebar. Here, you can change the text of the button and also edit a few advanced options like providing custom CSS classes or custom CSS styles. You can also find a checkbox to enable the Cart button. This button will open the quote cart, which allows a customer to see all the products they have added to their pending quote request. If you enable both buttons, you can use the layout settings to arrange the buttons side by side or stacked. Once you are happy with the results, click the Save button. And that's it. You've just enabled Quotify on your store, and customers can start submitting quote requests. Of course, there are many more features that Quotify has to offer. Head over to our support page to find additional videos that cover all the available features. Once again, thank you for considering using Quotify for your online business. If you have any questions or feature requests, don't hesitate to reach out using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of the page. Have a great day.